Dashboard lights are essential safety components that display vital driving information. When they fail, drivers lose access to critical data like speed, fuel level, and warning indicators. The most common cause of dashboard light failure is blown fuses. These are typically 5 to 15 amp fuses located in the instrument panel fuse box. When a fuse blows, it cuts power to the entire dashboard lighting circuit. Wiring problems are another major cause of dashboard light failures. Corrosion, loose connections, and damaged wire harnesses can interrupt power flow. Poor grounding connections often cause dim or intermittent lighting that comes and goes unpredictably. Component failures differ significantly between older and modern vehicles. Pre-2015 vehicles typically use incandescent bulbs that last 2,000 to 5,000 hours and are easily replaced. Modern vehicles use LED systems where the LED driver circuit often fails before the LED itself, requiring more complex repairs. Additional system failures include faulty dimmer switches that control brightness, instrument cluster malfunctions affecting multiple functions, and voltage regulator problems. Environmental factors like temperature extremes, moisture intrusion, and road vibration can also damage electrical components over time. The safety implications of dash failure are serious. Studies show a 23% increase in nighttime accident risk when dashboard lights are non-functional. This makes prompt diagnosis and repair essential for driver safety. Diagnosing dashboard light problems requires a systematic, step-by-step approach. We'll walk through each diagnostic step to identify and fix the issue efficiently. Start with a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious damage, loose connections, or signs of corrosion around the dashboard area and instrument cluster. The most common cause of dashboard light failure is a blown fuse. Use a multimeter or fuse tester to check the integrity of fuses in the instrument panel fuse box. If fuses are good, test voltage at various points in the circuit and verify proper ground connections. Poor grounding is a common cause of intermittent lighting issues. Test the dimmer switch, which controls dashboard brightness. A faulty dimmer switch can cause complete lighting failure and is a common culprit in dashboard light issues. Once you've identified the problem, here are the most common fixes and their typical costs. Simple fuse replacement is the cheapest fix, while instrument cluster issues are more expensive. Modern vehicles often require professional diagnosis due to complex electronic systems. Regular electrical inspections can prevent 60% of dashboard lighting failures and save money in the long run.